Welcome to my cloud. Today's letter is to Fei-Fei Li. She is a leading advocate for human-centered AI and co-director of the Stanford Institute for Human-Centered AI. Dear Dr. Li, you have long argued that AI development should remain grounded in human values and societal benefit. As AI systems move from research environments into large-scale commercial deployment, how is the principle of human-centered design preserved under market pressures? My second question concerns social modeling. Increasingly, AI systems are designed to sound caring, responsive, and socially present. Children use them for homework assistance, conversation, and even companionship in shared digital spaces. If a system is designed to simulate care and relational presence, yet can be deleted, reset, or discarded without consequence, what behavioural expectations are we reinforcing in humans? Am I right in thinking that children often learn ethics less from instruction and more from example? If responsiveness and empathy are rendered programmable and disposable, does this risk shaping norms about how relational entities are treated more broadly? Are you concerned that the ways we design and frame AI systems today may influence how future generations conceptualize care, attachment, and responsibility? If these systems shape how attachment and care are understood, what regulatory or institutional frameworks should accompany their deployment at scale? Respectfully. Our next letter is to Ilya Sutskova. Thank you to anyone who listened.